We're at Wufengqi and we parked on a road because it's closer.
Yes. Oh, I'm the tour guide.
Yeah. Oh, that's the Catholic. They weren't calling it a church. I forgot what they called it. You can see the cross up there. This is a Monday, so it's probably much better than coming on the weekends. I see the trailhead ahead. Anybody need a gourd or anything? Is that honey? Hats? More gourds. The painters. They're up there painting the waterfall. Here's a map. That's what they're painting. That's a 4-man job, 5-man job, 6-man job. Onward and upward. That's not it either. Oh, Catholic Church waterfall area. Okay. Do not carry your pets into the waterfall.
Is that it?
No, that's not it. That's not it. Nice.
Or maybe this is it.
No, this is not it. You gotta go up. Oh. My wife wants to check the water quality. You gonna drink it?
No, it's not that cold.
Really?
I thought
We're stepping in unison. Branch.
no, it's not fixed. Oops.
Okay.
Oh, look at this one. Look at this big rock here.
Whoa. Must have come from up there somewhere. Well, I feel the mist. Going up to 3rd tier. Did we skip 2nd tier? Can we do that later?
No, where we were at, that was the 2nd here.
Are you annoyed?
Yeah. You should know.
Well, there's another offshoot. If this is the 3rd and we were at the 2nd, the offshoot must have been the 2.5 tier.
No, we're gonna hit the 3rd here.
Okay. 加油.
Howdy.
We need one of those poles. All of the positive ions from the waterfall.
This negative ion.
Oh, negative ions. That's supposed to give you energy to climb the rest of the way up. So you say, is it a scientific thing or a Chinese thing?
It's a scientific thing.
That you stand by a waterfall and you get negative ions.
You can make it.
Negative.
Well, it's a scientific thing.
Really?
I guess. But it's just a lot of lazy people.
Oh. We're still going up.
I want to be
Forever young.
young.
Life without stairs is not worth living. Look, there's a
Mountains.
mountain. Trees. I hear water again.
对啊，
So now you don't have to go up.
哦，他说那我们现在看了就不用上去了，继续努力哦，请慢慢走。
照片跟你现在看不一样。
更不一样，对，很凉，
加油！
谢谢，请抓着栏杆。
Go ahead.
So that is spiritual food.
Spiritual food. Do that again. That's
Talking
encouragement.
Talking about it's really nice up there.
That's encouragement from strangers.
Yes. Maybe they lied to us.
That woman was pregnant and she did it.
Yeah.
Here's a glimpse of the plains. We're getting up there.
Like crazy.
I bet it is. 休息一下. Take a rest.
Okay.
Distance-wise, it's not very far, but it's up and up and up. So it's deceiving if you look at a map of distances.
Need oxygen.
I hope not. Come on.
I had to go easy.
Let's go with measured steps. Protection from landslides. This fence.
And you know what? I don't see any more stairs up there or walkway. This is probably the top. Ah,
Wow, look at this steel.
ah.
And here's a handprint from a survivor. Want to put your handprint on there? I hear water again.
Yeah.
I'm watching you watch me.
Oh, they're huge. Big ants.
Where?
On the ground.
Here, climb this rope. Here. Yeah! Yeah! Jayo! This is the old set of stairs.
You should put your foot
I can't hear you. There's a waterfall.
Hood.
Hood? Oh, I wasn't expecting this. That's what I saw from across the valley. There is a trail there, but you're forbidden to go. They block it off. I was just talking to complete strangers.
I thought you were talking to your phone.
Yeah, okay, I was talking to my phone. Talking to you guys out there. All right, we have to go all the way down.
Right away? You want to sit a little bit? Yeah.
Okay, I'm not going to film all the way down, just the first step. So in the morning, I was up there. That's the golf course. And now I'm on the other side of it, the other side of the valley. I jogged up from the trail leading to the waterfall. There's some stairs. Kitty didn't come with me. It's probably a good thing that she didn't. And it'll probably take me 3 or 4 minutes to run back down. Nice view. Time to run back down. Here's a lady on the bridge.